Hello again, everyone. My name is Dave Dwyer, State Manager for Pennsylvania for the Security Title Guarantee Corporation of Baltimore, with my friend Rob Musser, who is our Vice President and Pennsylvania State Counsel. And Rob, one of the things that I want to talk about, and this isn't a coverage thing with the enhanced and basic policies. This is offering and refusing the enhanced policy. So here's my question to you, and this can get a little dicey. What happens if a homeowner has a claim that would have been covered by the enhanced policy, but they were never offered it?
Good question. Just to sort of back up, when a claim comes into my office under a homeowner's policy, it's usually something like this. The homeowner buys the property, they want to do something to improve the property, or they find something out about the property which is a concern to them. And they immediately run into legal obstacles to what they want to do. They go to the township, or they get a notice, or somehow they confront legal obstructions. What do? They go to a lawyer. What kind of a lawyer do they go to? They go to a real estate lawyer. What does a real estate lawyer say? One of the first things he'll say after hearing the homeowner's story is, "Can I see your title insurance policy?" That's because real estate lawyers, the good ones, know about the expanded policy. So if you're a title agent and you're issuing policies, and there's a situation, you have a transaction where the consumer, the purchaser of the property, qualifies for an enhanced policy, and it has to meet certain criteria according to your underwriter. But if they qualify to get an enhanced policy and you have not offered them an enhanced policy, there's a good chance that they could turn around and look at you if they didn't get an enhanced and they qualified for it. If they run into a problem like this, the lawyer's going to be advising them, but you're going to be sort of in the crosshairs as an agent if you haven't at least offered it to them. So the caution is that you may want to begin offering the enhanced policy and even making it your default policy to issue whenever the transaction qualifies, because there is some suggestion that you could be subject to some difficulties if you didn't issue it and you could have. And some people do this by sending out a letter prior to closing and asking the purchaser if they want the policy. If they specifically don't want the policy, they have them sign a notice of waiver, they don't want it. But it's an issue that you need to deal with as a title agent, just for legal prudence in that situation.
So a waiver is important, Rob.
Yeah, I think it is. It's something that protects you as an agent and also benefits the client because they start asking questions, is this a good thing? And it is a good thing.
It's a very good thing, and thank you, Rob, for that explanation. Just remember, the basic and enhanced policy, there's a 10% difference in price. This is a relationship business. You don't want situations like this to happen and then tell the home buyer that you can't help them. So you have to present them with the enhanced policy and the additional coverages that it provides. We appreciate that you tuned in. We have several segments on this topic, so we hope to see you again soon.
If you have any questions about any of these issues, feel free to contact me at rmusser@esecuritytitle.com.